welcome in Howdonesia! Today, money bouquet are the belly of our workshop. Yet almost every day we make money bouquet in many designs. Now, we want to make one of our customer favorite money bouquet. This kind of money bouquet is really beautiful because it combines with various types of dry flowers. So, without any further ado, let's check the video. First, we prepare the money. Wrap it in clear plastic like this to make your money protected from damage. You can use OPP plastic with glue side on it, or just use regular plastic. On this video, we use 1/4 of kilo plastic size. So, when we wrapped money is ready, we can install the satay sticks on the back like this. I'm using a large size of plastic tape, because sometimes if you use a small size, it's not strong enough to hold the stick and the money. If you want it to be stronger bond, you can also use glue gun, but be careful not to glue when it's still too hot. Just wait until a bit cold when you glue it. Next, let's plug the stick onto floral foam. If we use floral foam, it will be easier for us to install the dried flowers, like this. If we use styrofoam, it's going to be a bit difficult because the characteristic of styrofoam is so hard. So, we need more effort to plug the stick. Then, we will arrange it according to your taste. So, to beautify the money bouquet, we use various types of dried flowers. Don't worry, you can buy dried flowers from many online stores. Try to buy dried flowers such as edelweiss. Make sure you buy cultivated edelweiss, not wild edelweiss, because it endangered flora. For the long one, I use many types of wild grass. All of these dried flowers can lift your bouquet to look more luxurious. Well, if your bottom of your bouquet not long enough, you can give extra length by adding satay stick like this. Don't forget to make sure the extension is steady for a handle. Now, for the white paper, we use budget fabric as usual, a Spunbond fabric. It has 40 grams of thickness. You can buy this kind of fabric at the nearest fabric store in your town. For the wrapping, we use cellophane paper. This paper is really beautiful, isn't it? It has a lot of color variations, so you can easily mix and match, right? You can buy cellophane on Amazon or any online store. Just type cellophane paper and you can choose any color variant that you want. On this video, we use bicolor cellophane. This is our favorite color because what? Even though we use only one sheet, it looks like we use many papers. So it's very helpful to make great color combo for your bouquet. But in some circumstances, you don't have cellophane paper, you can use any of paper that you have. It is possible to use Spunbond fabric, craft paper or Cellophane paper. For your information, the craft paper or Cellophane paper will give your bouquet natural feel or rustic touch, especially if you combine with dried flowers. The cons, it can easily creases and not water resistant, but it's cheap and stiff enough. Last, you can use fancy wrapping paper that usually used for gift wrapping. You just have to be smart in choosing the motif. For your info, we have made a bouquet with gift wrapping paper. You can check this link. Now it's almost done. We just need to tie with ribbon. I use satin ribbon. It has 2 cm width. This money bouquet is perfect for you as a gift for new baby born, birthday, graduation, and anniversary. It's done, guys. Wow, it's look pretty, huh? Okay, have a nice try at home, guys. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications so you don't miss the latest videos from Howdonesia. And share our video to your friend. Well, stay healthy and stay happy.